Ariel sa family mo?
Nanay ko.
I can just imagine. I know what my mother felt.
No, but you know what? My parents are not naman ano eh. But huwag kang magagalit ah. My mom has just this incredible sense of humor. She has this incredible sense of humor and she doesn't mean anything by it. I know na nasulat pa nga yun one time eh, but I don't think she means anything by it. Okay, one time, I just woke up. May minumura siya. Si Ariel. Ariel! Shit! Baka mamaya pumunta dun si Ariel, tapos pinagmumura niya. Pagbaba ko, baboy. Pinangalanan niyang baboy. Yung si Ariel, baboy, nakawala sa hawla, pinangalanan.
Yun ang way of coping ng nanay mo.
Oo, yun nga yung way niya. That was her way. But I don't think she mean, you know, anything by it. I don't think...
And even if she did, understand. Nanay siya eh.
No, but I don't think so. They never really got involved naman eh. Ever since the beginning, they never really got involved. So, although they felt bad for me, but hindi naman sila tipo ng ganon eh. Kahit yung... Siguro yung pinaka-involved lang sa lahat, yung kapatid ko, si Kakay. Kasi siya yung mas galit pa siya sa akin, mas upset pa siya sa akin. Ganun siya eh. Pagka may mga write-ups about it, nagagalit siya. Ayaw niya. Siya yung pinaka-involved. Kasi best friend ko yun eh.
Oo, ganyan naman eh. Ako kay Janice, ganyan din ako.
Oh. Ikaw, did you ever understand me?
Now na lang. Lately na lang. Kasi sabi ko nga, di ba, kailan lang humupa yung ano ko, yung galit ko. At saka, effort ito. Yung effort, yung trying to, sige na, tama na yan, di ba? Tagal na yan. Lately na lang yan. Kasi parang naisip ko parang, okay na, madami namang blessings si Lord. So, ano ba naman ang ibigay ko ito? Eh, ikaw bubuti ko rin naman, di ba? Paikagagaan ko rin ng loob.
Why do you think?
Ewan ko, tumatanda na rin ako. Ewan ko, siguro it's really time. It was time to talagang basket it, all you want. And then after a while, tama
Move
na.
on. Move on. And I'm glad. I'm actually really happy for you kasi parang mahirap din yung meron kang kinikip-kip na.
Diba? Meron kang iniiwasan, na ayaw mong makita, na ayaw mong gawin.
Na eventually magkikita na.
Exactly. We're in the same business, so it is inevitable.
Yeah, of course. My business manager actually asked Ariel if he could guess, parang magsusurprise siya.
Sa'yo.
I never really thank you, but thank you very, very much for doing that for me. I mean, really, I so
Hindi naman ako yung kumanta, di ba?
Yeah, but
Hindi naman ako.
no, but if you hadn't said yes to that, he wouldn't have been able to go there. And I was just really, really happy that he was there. I was like jumping everywhere. You know, I was happy to see him because I have not seen him in a long time. Actually, okay naman kami. Whenever really, hindi naman ako nagalit sa kanya or anything. And we also started as friends. So I was just really happy. And you know, like I said, well, thank you to Ariel. And thank you to you for letting him do that. Really, I do appreciate it.
You're welcome. Ano sabi sa tayo? You're welcome. Fine. Eh, ang dami na niyang sinabi. Finally, ito na, todo na ito. Oo, kasi mami agap na. Finally, ano na ang gusto mo sabihin? Message, phone patch, gano'n.
Sa ako ang may message?
Sa akin.
Ang message ko sa iyo? Well, thank you. Thank you for finally natanggal na yung galit mo sa akin. Kasi alam mo, yung totoo, parang hindi din ako natuwa na nagalit ka sa akin. Siyempre, no, sino ba namang matutuwa doon? And I also did not mean to hurt you. And you have to know that. I didn't mean. I just also fell in love. But now that it's over, it's finished, I'm glad that you are also moving on with, Jelly, he broke up with me because he said he loves you. I know that, no, he admitted it to me. I know that he loved me, but he loved you more. That's why he's with you. Ako naman, ano daw ang message mo sa akin? Walang salamin. Walang salamin.
salamin? Ano yung salamin?
Yung kay Tito Boy.
Alright! Ano ba? Well, I'm really glad there's closure to this. I'm glad you're here. And, well, in the days to come, if we see each other, at least hindi na tayo
Weird.
Ano ba? Weird, di ba? Hindi na tayo weird. And I hope you're happy now. You're so successful. And you deserve all the success because I see you're really working so hard.
Thank you. Thank you very much. And thank you for having me here. I really thank you so much.